Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the control sticks on a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. First step, we go into System Settings and we choose then the calibrated control sticks. The control sticks should be calibrated if you have problems with drifting or something else. When the controller stick isn't being touched, the cursor above should be appear in the cross in the center. Then everything is fine. But it is not stays in the center. You should make a calibration of that. And we only do this if it is necessary. Then we go to the side, right, bottom, up, left, and so on, to make this calibration. That means the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller, the sticks will then be calibrated as the entire movement way of the stick. We go and release it. Then we turn it under the circle and job's done. If you like to go to default settings, you can push the Y button to switch it to a factory default setting. We perform this if we have a drift or something else. So this is how to calibrate it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.